You need to hear this if you're prepping for the GRE. Let's break down the word enumerate and why it's your new best friend. Hey there, future GRE conquerors. Today we're diving into the word enumerate. What does it mean? Simply put, to enumerate is to list out or count things one by one. Think of it as giving a clear, organized rundown. Why is this word important? The GRE loves precision and clarity, and enumerate helps you nail that. Let's look at 3 examples. First, in an essay prompt, you might be asked to enumerate the benefits of a plant-based diet. List them one by one, clear and precise. Second, in a verbal question you could see, enumerate the factors leading to the French Revolution. Break it down step by step. Third, in a math problem, enumerate the prime numbers between 1 and 20. List them clearly. So there you have it. Master enumerate and you're on your way to a sharper, more organized GRE performance. Happy studying.